7 fingers on one hand.
It's raining.
And just like that, it magically turns black. 1, 2, 3. Whoa.
EvanEraTV.com.
What's good? Welcome back to How to Magic. Oh, magic! I am your host, EvanEra. Today I'm showing you 7 trending viral magic tricks revealed. So if you're ready, hit that thumbs up button and let's go. So we're gonna show you the viral clip from the internet, and then we're gonna show you our attempt at recreating it. Walk you through how we think the trick was done, and show you how you can do it at home. First up is the magic paper streamer trick. Check it out. Here's the trending trick from the internet, and here's our attempt at recreating it. Check it out, I have a roll of paper. I just pull.
What is happening? How is it? It's raining lines.
Setting this up is super simple. All you need is a little calculator roll of paper. They sell these at Walmart, and pretty much every office supply store has these. The first thing you're gonna do is remove this little plastic part from the middle of it, and then you just have this big roll of paper, and you start it from the inside. So find your little starting point and just start to uncoil it. And then you wanna let gravity do the work and just give it a good yank, and the whole thing will just begin to unravel into a big paper streamer. Super cool. Try it out at home, or stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm gonna give away some packs of these to comments in the comment section down below. Here's the trending trick from the internet, and here's our attempt at recreating it. Okay, check this out. I have a long strip of white paper here. Watch. Just like that, it magically turns black. The secret to this one is all found in the paper itself. This is heat reactive receipt paper. This is a strip of paper that they use for receipts in a store's cash register. It's a paper that reacts to heat. So we're gonna take a hair straightener, which gets really hot, and that is what's going to cause it to turn color. So it starts out white, and then when you apply heat to it, you can see it changes color. You can take it here and turn the white paper black. Thermal paper has a reactant acid inside of it. Most of them are bisphenol A. This is a chemically coated paper that produces text and image when heat is applied to the surface. So the paper does all the work. All you have to do is drag the hair straightener down it. This is a little bit dangerous, so if you're a kid, you'll need an adult supervision with this. Stay tuned for the end of the video. I'm gonna give away some rolls of receipt paper to you. Here's the trending trick from the internet, and here's our attempt at recreating it. Check it out. I have 7 fingers on one hand. Just kidding. Okay, here is the secret to making it look like you have 7 fingers on one hand. It's super creepy looking, and the secret is all in how you place your hands. So one hand is gonna go underneath, just like this, and the other hand's gonna go on top, and these fingers are gonna fold in. You're gonna hide the thumb of the other hand behind the palm. This pinky is also gonna hide as well, while these 3 fingers curl up just like this to create the illusion, and it looks super creepy if you wiggle them. Here's the trending trick from the internet, and here's our attempt at recreating it. So looking at the video, it seems like all you do is just position one screw on this side. The little grooves have to line up with the bit, just like that. And then you very slowly start to drill. And the grooves should carry them along just like that. So you start with a magnetic drill bit, and you want 2 identical screws. Now we tried 3 different kinds trying to replicate exactly what we saw, and we could not get it to work exactly that way. We did get each set of screws to do this and go halfway down. We could not get them to make the loop at the end and kind of keep going all the way around and restart, as you see in the clip. So we tried this out and couldn't get it to work. Maybe we need a bigger, more magnetic drill bit. I'm not really sure. Try that at home and let me know if you get it to work. Here's the trending trick from the internet, and here's our attempt at recreating it. Hey, Ava, can you come here?
Yeah, where'd you?
I need you to put that. Oh!
Oh.
Yeah, it is. Come on in. I'm coming out that way, so. Whoa! Okay, here's the secret secret to setting up the falling stack of boxes prank. This is super funny and super easy to do. Let me show you how to set it up. So you want to get 4 or 5 boxes that are about the same size, and then the key is setting up this. You're going to take some fishing line, some invisible string, and you're just going to string it through the boxes. Use a little bit of hot glue to secure them together just like this, and you're going to do that between the bottom of this box and the top of this one. Just on each one, and go through and hot glue them in place just like this with some fishing line, just like that. And then on the other side, you're going to create a hinge using tape. You're going to put a piece of tape right across here and one going all the way down just like this. So that's going to create a hinge so that they can bend just like this. So you can hold the bottom box and just tilt, and they'll just stop just like that. It freaks people out. It is super funny. I got my mom so good with this. It really helps if you decorate the outside of the boxes with some fragile stickers, maybe a big sticker that says heavy, and then you gotta act like you're really struggling to carry them, and then, oh! And it gets them every time. Super funny. Try that at home and freak out everyone. Okay, here's what you need to pull this off. You're going to need a plastic bottle, and this works with any type of bottle. You're gonna need some baking soda, some white vinegar, and some sodium hydroxide based drain cleaner. Now this is kind of dangerous, so if you're a kid, you're obviously going to need an adult supervision with this. The first thing you're going to do is take the plastic bottle, and you're going to add about 4 tablespoons of baking soda. Then your next step is to take some vinegar and add it to the bottle with the baking soda, and it will create the classic volcano reaction. Add about 100 milliliters. It'll foam up like that. Now what this is doing is filling the bottle with carbon dioxide gas. Now once that bottle is filled with that gas, we're going to add the drain cleaner. So just let it fully bubble off like that. And now we want to add the drain cleaner and then cap it off. Like that. What's happening inside the bottle is a scientific principle called chemical compression. It does take a little bit for it to compress, but over time the bottle will slowly just compress down like this. It's super cool and super magical looking. Okay, check this out. I have a little plastic sword and this plastic ring here. This is a classic trick. So you take the little plastic ring, it goes over your finger like this, and it's gonna slide the sword right through your finger just like that. See, it really is going right through there. Now watch, 1, 2, 3. Pull it out, and look, my finger is completely unharmed. All right, here's how it's done. I'm about to reveal the secret. The secret to this trick is extremely simple, and I'll teach you how it's done right now. Okay, classic magic trick here. This is the sword through the finger trick. We have these available now at EvanEraTV.com. Perfect stocking stuffer for the holidays. So easy to do. One of the keys to starting out in magic and building confidence is having some tricks that are really easy to perform, and it really builds up your confidence to perform in front of people. So you take the little sword and you just stick it right through your finger just like that. People can view it from all sides, and it's completely self-working and easy to do. You pull it out and your finger is completely unharmed. Perfect for all ages. It's completely self-working. All you have to do is put the little sword through here and it does all the work for you. The sword just travels along this little channel on the outside. It actually goes through the ring just like this and pops out the other side to create the illusion of it going through your finger. There's actually no harm done. It's completely safe. Pick one up today at EvanEraTV.com and freak out your friends and family this holiday season. All right, that is it for this video. If you liked it, hit the thumbs up button and share it with someone you think might like it as well. And it is giveaway time. I'm giving away the magic sword through the finger trick from this video. I'm giving away 7 of them to 7 lucky comments in the comment section down below. All you have to do to win the magic sword through the finger trick, give the video a like and leave a comment down below. Leave as many comments as you want. Leave something random in the comment section. 2 random words put together, whatever you want. Leave your comments down below and we'll randomly pick 7 comments and mail you out the magic so you can perform this fun trick at home. Time to announce the giveaway winners from our last How To Magic video. The winners are magically appearing on the screen right here. Send your full mailing address to the email address on the screen to claim your prize. Thank you to everyone who entered that giveaway, and good luck to everyone entering this giveaway drawing. And be sure to head over to EvanEraTV.com for all the holiday magic that you can stuff in Santa's sack. A lot of these tricks we found on TikTok. If you have a TikTok account, be sure to follow me. I am now on TikTok at EvanEraMagic. Make sure you follow my official account. That is the only official account that I have. There's a lot of imposter accounts, so make sure you follow EvanEraMagic on TikTok. We're posting a lot of fun videos there as well. And until next time, remember that anything is possible as long as you stay positive, work hard, and laugh at life. Love you guys. 7 fingers on 1 hand.
It's raining.
Just like that, it magically turns black. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa.